Kirtland, and I'm dressed as the blue Power Ranger.
Hi, I'm Bunny, and I'm dressed as Moana. Hello, I'm Lucia, and I'm dressed like
Merida.
Melda, and I'm from Brave. Welcome to How You Bake It. Before you bake it, always have to wash your hands.
Don't worry, we are taking care of that.
Good job. What are we doing today?
We are gonna make our Halloween stuff for our party.
I baked for my party. Yeah, Halloween party.
I forgot my apron. What are we making for our Halloween party?
Mini Mummies,
Mm-hmm.
dirt,
and
and
candy.
Mini Mummies, dirt, and
I don't know the last piece.
witch's hat.
And witch's cream. Yes.
All right. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to get our pudding setting.
Why is
So
there no stuff by me?
nope, that's melted chocolate. We
Where
don't need that yet. So we have 2 cups of milk,
already.
I want to put it in.
and we're gonna put
Hey,
the chocolate pudding mix in.
in.
All right, dump it in.
Oh.
Good job.
Can I dump one
Nope, we just need one. Oh,
in? Oh.
it popped already. Okay, go
Yeah.
ahead and mix this.
it popped already.
Yay, mixing.
I was
Mix
supposed
in,
to
mix
go
in,
first.
mix in, mix in. While she's mixing, I am going to take our
Here.
crescent roll dough and roll it out so that we can make it into strips.
Wow.
All right, let's give that another good mix.
It smells
Okay,
good. The
can I
butter
do it?
smells good.
Can I try
Mixing,
some of
mixing,
this?
mixing, mixing, we are mixing, ever mixing, we are mixing, ever mixing.
We are
Mixing, 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 so we can make some dirt.
Wait, the pudding is for the dirt.
Mm-hmm.
Bunny,
All
wash
right.
your hands now.
We are going to put this into some cups
How many cups?
and set it aside.
Can I have, oopsie. Can I have one?
Well, we'll be eating these for our party tonight.
Mixing, 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 ever mixing for the dirt.
Can I try?
No, I'm gonna dump them.
Why are you just putting a little in?
You'll see. So that we have room for the cookies.
Is it
I need
these
more
cookies?
cups, guys.
Why
While these are sitting, we're gonna get our Mini
Mommy.
Mummies baking. So we have our dough,
Can I try?
and this is what we're gonna do.
So, 5,
So we open these,
9, 10,
these
11,
little
12,
smokies.
14.
So what you're gonna do, here I'll cut
Us?
this dough up. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some of this dough, and you're
I know
gonna
what we're
take
gonna
a
do.
little smoky,
Hey, stop.
and you're gonna wrap it up.
Okay, Mommy.
Just like this. And some of these can actually be used for 2 of them. Ready?
I got one. Got one.
Okay.
It's a hot dog.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Lucia just got a half of it.
It's okay. She only needs a half of one.
Only this
Mommy,
will
did I
hold
do it
it.
good? Did I do it good?
Very good. Oh, I like your technique, Lucia.
Do you like my technique?
I do like your technique.
Do you like my technique?
Love it.
Then you like mine?
Love it.
So can I eat these two? Because there's no room for this one.
No, you put it on another hot dog. go.
Thank you.
Stay
This
all
one's
over
sticked
them.
on my hand.
Oh dear, it's stuck on your hand. You guys, these are looking awesome.
I know, right?
Here's another one. The ones that are all covered by mine.
Love it. All right, we are going to bake these at 375 degrees for 9 to 12 minutes. Okay, you guys, now it's time for the fun part. Are you ready for this? Okay, we are going to take these cookies.
Can I put one on here? Mom, we only need the
Can we have
top.
one?
Can we both have
Can
one?
we have one, please?
Yeah.
No.
Can I help? But we can put the frosting inside of those, right, Mom?
This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these cookies. All right, who wants to crush first?
Me.
All right, Kirtland, you get crushing. All right, well, Kirtland is crushing. All right, we need to unwrap all these kisses.
Yes,
We're
Mom.
not eating them yet.
Are you putting them in?
No, these are for the witch's hats. All right, it's time to make the witch's hats. All right, so what we do for our witch's hats, so you're gonna take this and you make a little circle here, and then you just put the kiss on top. I'm gonna put the chocolate on, you guys put the kisses on, okay? Each of you try the witch's hat. Is it yummy?
Ow! Oh.
What do you think, girls? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you guys, what are we putting together next? What are we
That
gonna
was
do?
the dirt.
Yep. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Put some cookies,
Can I
And
try?
some gummy worms.
and then, what is dirt without worms?
Yeah.
We need worms in our dirt, right?
But it's just gummy worms. Just gummy worms.
So,
Can we put 2 in them? 3? Can we put?
if you want to, you can put 2.
Can we put a lot in them?
And then, your turn. There we go.
This one's mine.
All right.
I'm gonna have this one.
Which one do you want to taste?
This one.
All right.
We'll taste
Let's
this
get
one.
spoons for everyone.
Okay. I'm gonna have this spoon,
Okay.
and I'm gonna eat. Mommy, there's a smiley face on this gummy worm,
Nice.
and this one. There's smiley face. There's probably smiley faces on all of them.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna eat a gummy worm first.
Can I have 2?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 5 in the one that we're gonna taste. I mean, we're just eating that one.
That one's for tonight. Here.
Oops.
Who's ready to try a mini mummy?
Ray.
All right. Here's Brenly's, Lucia's, Kirtland's, and mine. Mmm. Lucia, which one's your favorite? The dirt, the mini mummy, or the witch's hat?
All of them is my favorite.
The Mini Mummy.
Mini mummy is your favorite? Brenly, which one's your favorite?
This.
The dirt?
My favorite is all of them.